よっしゃー、ナイスサイズ。Hello, this is Angarawaki based in California. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel. I'll introduce how to fish in the Japanese way using popular techniques in Japan and Japanese fishing gear. Many years ago, I found that Gary Yamamoto Fataker has big followers in the Japanese bass anglers community. Many say it's the best bass fishing lure that could be better than Senko. I did not believe in it since I was a huge believer of Yamamoto Senko. Better than Senko? No way! Nothing can be better than Senko! But one day, I decided to give it a shot. My main field at the time was a rocky, shallow area. I fished lots of big bass using a jig, but they easily got stuck among the rocks and I lost many. It was so frustrating. Then suddenly, one idea was come up on my mind. Oh wait, Gary Yamamoto Fataker looks like a rubber jig, and using it with a weightless rig. It must be way snuggless than jigs. I tried, and it worked much greater than I expected. Yet, Senko is great. Nothing can go past it. But Fataker is also amazing. In this video, I'll explain how Japanese bass anglers use Fataker and some secrets. よしよしよしよしよしははいや危ないから抜いちゃう。よーいしょっと取りました。お腹ポンポンです。How we rig it? We rig it in reverse. This is what we call a backslide setting in Japan. The most popular rigging for Fataker there. I believe this setting was first started being used in Japan. Of course, it's totally fine to a rig like this. Normal setting for Texas rig, Carolina rig, and free rig. But then, why we rig Fataker like this? As we call this backslide setting. With this rigging, the lure would have a slide fouling. Backslide fouling like this. When we fish cover, this works super fine. Generally, when we fish cover with Texas rig, we fish like this. We directly hit the cover or throw the lure over the cover. Using backslide setting, we can fish a cover like this. Ika backslides swimming into the cover. This is great. Reverse rigged Fataker is also easy to make a skipping cast. Rig it in reverse and make it skip on the surface. 40 to 50 size offset hooks would be good. When we want a little bit faster falling speed, we can put a nail weight here. In this case, the 50 hook could be too big. There could be no room to put a nail weight. 40 or wide gap 30 hooks may be a good option. I'm using 50 Hayabusa WRM957. The Japanese famous bass pro Daisuke Aoki uses this setting. I'm following it. WRM957 is distributed as a Daisuke Aoki standard offset in Japan. He designed it. And he has also been producing some Gary Yamamoto JDM baits. He's a Gary family pro angler. This may not be a secret since this is a popular hack in Japan, but in case you don't know, if you have trouble in setting a hook, let's make a slit here. This could improve hooking. Prevent the hook from slipping out from the fish mouth. The well-known trick in Japan.
おお、危ない危ない危ない。よしよしよ。
This is my tackle set for Fatiger. Basically, adds the same tackle as whole jig and Texas rig. Medium to medium heavy fast to extra fast action rod. Kistler Helium 3, my favorite bass rod. I'm a Japanese angler, but I love the Kistler rod made in the US. Coupled with a super high gear reel, Daiwa Taturo gear ratio is 811. 16-pound fluorocarbon by Seager. Fatiger is very good for fishing a cover. It's also good for fishing the bottom for the wide open area. A bulky body made of salty Gary material makes it easy to have a long distance cast. This is one of the advantages of this lure. Let's check this out.
川飛ぶね。よっしゃ。はい、イカフィッシュ。
Okay, Fatiger! Just like a jig and Texas rig, it's effective to fish in the bottom. But the best usage should be, of course, cover fishing.
上まで食いに来たよ。しょ。よっしゃー、ナイスサイズ。見た、今上まで食べに来たよ。チェイスして。
When I picking up the lure, the fish emerged from the cover chasing it. I stopped reading, gave another backslide pull, and got a bite. Exciting! What eager! Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share on the SNS. Leave your comment. Give me a big thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. More and more fishing videos are coming. Fish in the Japanese way. See you. Everybody stay safe. Thank you. ありがとう。バイバイ。